Hello friends. Today's session explains the fundamental duties of Indian citizens as listed in Article 51A of the Constitution. These duties were added to strengthen national discipline, responsibility, and commitment among citizens. Fundamental duties are moral obligations expected from every citizen. They complement fundamental rights by reminding us that citizenship includes responsibilities, not just entitlements. Although they are not enforceable by courts, they serve as guiding principles for responsible civic behavior and national development. Key facts. The fundamental duties are listed in Article 51A. They were inserted by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976 based on the recommendations of Soren Singh Committee. There were originally 10 duties. The 86th Amendment Act 2002 added the 11th duty related to children's education. They are non-justiciable and non-enforceable, meaning no legal penalty applies for violating them. Duties 1 to 3. The first duty is to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals, institutions, the national flag, and the national anthem. The second duty requires citizens to follow the noble ideals that inspired Indians' freedom struggle, values like sacrifice, courage, and patriotism. The third duty emphasizes protecting the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of the nation. This duty becomes especially important during threats to national security. Duties 4 to 6. The fourth duty is to defend the country and render national service when required. The fifth duty asks citizens to promote harmony and the spirit of brotherhood that transcends religion, language, region, and social differences. It also requires renouncing practices derogatory to the dignity of women. The sixth duty stresses the need to preserve the rich heritage of India's composite culture. Duties 7 to 9. The seventh duty focuses on the protection and improvement of the national environment, including forests, rivers, lakes, and wildlife. Citizens are also expected to show compassion towards all living creatures. The eighth duty is to safeguard public property and avoid violence, highlighting the importance of social responsibility. The ninth duty encourages citizens to develop scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform, which support rational thinking and modernization. Duties 10 and 11. The 10th duty is to strive for excellence in all fields of individual and collective activity. The idea is that national progress depends on continuous improvement and high standards. The 11th duty added in 2002 requires every parent or guardian to provide educational opportunities to their child or ward between the ages of 6 and 14 years, reinforcing the importance of universal education. Importance of fundamental duties. These duties help maintain a balance between citizens' rights and responsibilities. They strengthen democratic values, promote environmental protection, ensure respect for national symbols, and encourage unity and discipline in society. When practiced sincerely, they lead to a more responsible, aware, and progressive citizenship. Fundamental duties represent the moral foundation of citizenship in India. Although they are not legally enforceable, following them is essential for building a strong, disciplined, and united nation. Citizens who respect and practice these duties contribute directly to national development and social harmony. Okay, thank you.